Hello everyone, I am Yogeshwari Gangadhari, currently pursuing BCom final year in TSWRDC Jagadgirigutta, and I have selected for self internship program in economics in collaboration with Azim Premji University. And my coordinators are Shashank brother and Madhuri sister, and my mentor is Ganesh brother from APU itself. And my topic in this research is the impact of COVID-19 on SC, ST, and BC women's employment in Telangana. Actually, each one of students have to six samples, but due to this lockdown we are unable to go outside, so we collected data from our community, and some are from through phone calls itself. And in this research process I have got to know many new things and lots of experiences, and I'm very glad to share all my experiences with you all. While doing survey I have listened many painful stories of people who face lots of problems during covid lockdown. Some of families lost their own jobs. They're facing many problems, like it's hard to fulfill their basic needs also. And 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 more, basically we don't know the uh, income problems and what problems they face in the home. We don't know normally, but due to this research process I came to know many problems of my neighbors, uh, who are facing income problems during this lockdown period. uh, but due to it's a great research process actually. We have done, we have collected samples and submitted it to our mentors, and they and the coordinators changed it into spreadsheets, and by that we came to know the percentages of employment of illiterate and literate people. Mainly we found there is much loss of income when compared to before lockdown, and how working pattern changed during this lockdown and before lockdown, and what is the marital status of women, and uh, what problems they are facing, and some stories like this. And it's a great experience to me. I have done, I have ever done this before, and I have got to know, I have got confidence that I can do more in future like this, and came to know that through this research process we can gain more subject knowledge practically. And we also found what challenges that people are facing who lost their own jobs in this covid lockdown, and it's hard to find new jobs also. And and like this we learn many things from them people. uh, and and while doing research we have took precautions like wearing masks, using sanitizers, and maintaining social distance. And apart from this research process, and we had a great and wonderful time with the professors of APU, and uh, we got to know many inspirational things from them. And I'm very thankful, sir and ma'ams. By this research process I can certainly say that we can get some change in the society and solve some problems that people are facing. And I'm very happy to participate in this research process, and it's a wonderful experience to me. And thank you, all my mentors and coordinators for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and wonderful and great opportunity. I have ever done it, and hope I'll again participate in this research process further. And thank you all. Jai Bhim, Jai Sweros.